Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Phượng. I'm 20 years old and I come from Group 3. My major is English language at Đồng University. Today, my presentation is keeping accurate records. As you can see on the first slide is local DC library registry. This includes document, video, picture, and in addition it also uses Vietnamese and English language. It looks honestly non-scientific, makes me feel depressed because I have to work with the rabbits. Right that every time I find the detailed file, I need to go and search because of the new host. Therefore, the working speed and efficiency of work and reduced learning will be boring because of sitting on the slow and messy computer. And to change the status, please see the next slide. This is local DC library after sort. I use sort by group by name. Its advantage as short name, use English name, easy to find, save time, fast working speed. Neatly arranged folder. This helps me better separate this file in charactership and more easy see the file to file. Thank you for listening.